is sausages.
Okay, and you?
My favorite food, chickens.
And you?
My favorite food is meat.
And you?
My favorite food is pelmeni. It is traditional Russian food.
Yes, that's right, please.
I like the bananas.
What can we buy at this shop? And what's the name of this shop? Please.
This is butchers.
Yes, it's Butchers. And what can we buy in this shop, please?
I can buy sausages.
Sausages and you. Okay, and you.
I can buy ham.
Okay, and you.
I can buy meat.
Do you know what's the name of this shop? Maxim, how do you think?
It is green grocers.
Yes, right, you are. What can we buy in this shop? Artem.
You can buy pineapple.
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 Yes, right, you are. And you.
I can buy fruit and vegetable.
Yes. Nastya. Yulia, I'm sorry. Stand up. Please take your basket and go to our shop. You should buy only fruit, please. Yes, yes, okay. And of course bananas, yes, and of course bananas. Sit down, please. So, I would like some cookies. Can I buy some cookies in this shop? Can I buy some cookies in this shop? Please, Vera.
No, I can't.
You can't. No, you can't. Where can I buy some cookies? Who wants to help me? Please, Maxim.
You can buy cookies in the shop.
Some cookies.
Some cookies in the shop.
Suggest to read the text. Begin, please. Let's begin.
People cannot live without food. Where does our food come from? Meat comes from animals, eggs come from birds, milk come from cows.
From the leaves of a plant. So tea is vegetable.
Okay. Please, Rom.
What about tomatoes? Tomatoes are vegetables. Some people say, no, they are not. Tomatoes are fruit.
Who wants?
Wasn't fruit.
May I, please? Okay, yes, right. Your coffee is a plant. Next sentence. No, please. Okay, tomatoes are fruit. So, and next sentence. Oranges and...
Oranges and bananas grow in Russia.
Okay, right. Write down, please. Bananas, please. Yes, right. Your oranges and bananas grow in... Okay. So, and the next sentence. Please, find it.
The fourth is
The fourth
sentence
is false.
is false.
One little finger.
Thank you very much. Yes, right. And Julia.
The favorite Russian food is meat and potatoes. Our family usually has meat for dinner or for supper.
Okay, and you. See. Okay, and you.
In Italy, breakfast time is between 7 and 9. Lunch time is between 12 and 2. Tea is between 4 and 5. And dinner or supper time is between 7 and 10.
Okay, and you.
You can buy everything when you do your grocery shopping. If you like to bake, you can buy ready-made cookies and cakes. You can buy ice cream and frozen peas. You can buy yogurt and you can buy cheese. At the supermarket, you can buy everything. When you do your grocery shopping. At the supermarket, you can buy everything. When you do your grocery shopping.
I'm a shop assistant. Who wants to come? Who wants to go to my shop and buy anything tasty and delicious? Who wants? Please, nice. Hello.
Hello.
Can I help you? I'd like to show you some vegetables. They are very fresh and tasty.
I'm afraid I have a lot of them at home.
I have a big red we have a big red apple and a tasty pear. Here you are, please.
Thank you.
Sit down, please. Настя, Anya, and Lera, and you, Maxim. You got products. Please, you should take healthy products and unhealthy products. Yes,
Yes, I will.
Yes, I will. Okay. If yes, you should stick the red circle. If you're not, you should stick the blue circle. Please. Моя работа направлена на формирование культурных ценностей и культур работы с информацией. Этот урок комбинированный типа и был посвящен развитию репродуктивных речевых навыков, а также он занимает, как я уже сказала, обобщающее место в системе уроков по изучению темы еда. Цель урока была закрепить полученные коммуникативные умения и навыки по теме еда. Учебный аспект урока – это активизировать навыки аудирования, монологической и диалогической речи. Каждый вид наглядности использовался для более доступного восприятия речи учителя и развития навыков монологических высказываний. Вот увидели то, что сейчас было на уроке, поэтому некоторые моменты, может быть, остались рабочими. Основной аспект на уроке имел здоровье-сберегающий компонент. Я попыталась создать ситуацию психологического комфорта для детей, когда каждый ребенок может не только сделать зарядку, а также задуматься о правильном питании.